So another week in the tiny shop. No excuses, just got to keep getting that work done. This week, we're building a whiskey flight board. Holds a bottle, 2 glasses, simple build, fun little project. But this one, it's got a little extra meaning with it. Let's get into it. In a space this small, sometimes the shop spills outside. You're not just building the piece, you're building around the shop. When somebody's waiting on something you built, you figure it out. For this build, I decided to use light burn to actually create the pattern and then use that to burn it onto my piece of wood as a template, and it worked out great. Just rounding over these edges before I glue it to the bottom piece. Otherwise the round over bit would be too deep and I wouldn't be able to do it. So just the order of operations always matters. If this kind of work matters to you, a like and a subscribe help this channel reach other builders just like you. I post one every week. Never hurts to use a little hand sanding, especially on those roundovers. There's really no better way to keep that nice smooth round and get it smooth. So this build is for a friend of mine. He's an ambassador for Operation Pay It Forward. They support veterans and their families. This piece is headed to their banquet this year. And when it matters this much, small shop or not, standards cannot change. On this red oak, I decided to use a really light stain just to help even those colors out. And I also felt like it would help pop those logos and words that I burned in. The shop got smaller, the expectations got higher because I raised the standards. Work still got to get delivered. Customers still want what they want. More coming from my shop next week. And until then, get in the shop and be a maker.